Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be kind of revisiting an older video that I've done where I was using this coated epoxy on one of my Old Town canoes, and this canoe has had some durability issues where the bottom was getting all cracked up and stuff, and it was kind of leaving parts of the canoe as I would scrape it on like a rock or something. You could see the blue kind of scrape off pretty good. So I wanted something to kind of coat the bottom and protect it a little bit. And it's been several months now since I've put that on, and we've used it several times, I think about 3 or 4 times. I just kind of wanted to give you an update on how good this coated epoxy does on a canoe. All right, so here we are at the canoe itself. It's kind of, I sit it up here. It's a nice little tree frog there. I sit it here on this shelter, so it's pretty much out of the rain normally. So it's not like sitting on the ground or anything, but you can tell kind of here in the middle it's done fairly well. You see a lot of scratches and gouges in it, and they're not very deep. You can't really actually tell that there's a scratch there just by feeling it. So if you look at it though, you can see it. So I think it held up pretty good here in the middle. It kind of covered those cracks, and it looks like alligator cracking, you know, in the bottom of the canoe. It still covers that pretty well. Some of these deep ones, you know, had to put another layer of epoxy on that. But then when you get to the end, you kind of see where it's come off. I don't know if you can see that well here. Just kind of flakes off here on the front, on the bottom ends. Here, I'll show you the front. I guess this is the front of the back. It's like it didn't stick well on the very front here. This is where it's getting a lot of abuse anyway. So maybe that was from just the higher amount of abuse that it gets right here at the bow. But or maybe it just doesn't, maybe it was myself, I didn't prep it correctly, but it seemed like this started developing a bubble and then it popped off as we were using it. So I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna redo it or anything. Actually, I don't have any more left of this coated epoxy for it to work. Maybe I should have scarred this up a little bit more for it to stick better. I'm not sure, but maybe it's just the coated itself doesn't like this high abrasion, and it bubbled up and wore off, or I don't know. I really don't have an idea of like why it's causing this, but it looks like it's just in here. But like when you come down further, it's not coming off at all. It's like there's 0 flakes. It looks like it's sticking really well. So that's what I'm thinking. Maybe it was just kind of user error on coating this. I think I'm just going to end up leaving it like this, and it'll just flake off on its own and kind of wear into whatever is left, and we'll just keep it like that. And then maybe if it gets too bad, I'll just get another canoe, another excuse for a new canoe. But anyway, just wanted to, you know, have a few minutes of this video to show you exactly how this turned out. And this was after maybe like 3 or 4 canoe trips, so nothing too crazy. I was hoping it would have lasted a little bit longer, but anyway, so there you go. Just a quick little video giving you an update on this coated material on the bottom of an Old Town canoe. So appreciate you sticking around for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.